Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Google Translate easily accessible from your desktop, allowing you to quickly translate text whenever you need. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe for more tech tips. Alright, first open Google Translate. Normally launch your web browser, so I'm gonna open the Google Chrome browser and type on the address bar translate.google.com. Press enter. And now click on the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of your browser. And from here, click on Cast, Save and Share. Then choose Create Shortcut. And here you will see a pop-up window to give it a name. I'm keeping it as default. So I'm gonna click on Create button and it will automatically create a shortcut on your desktop. And every time whenever you click on that, it will open translate.google.com every time. And it will save your time. On the other hand, if you want to keep it as an app, normally click again on that three-dot button, choose Cast, Save and Share, click on Install Page as an app and click on Install button. And now it will be opened as an app. On the other hand, if you want to know another way to create a shortcut, normally right click on your desktop, choose New and click on Shortcut and give the URL of translate.google.com. Click on Next button, give it a name and click on Finish. And that's all. Now you know how to create shortcuts more easily and make them more accessible. So that's all about today's video. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.